Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to solve October 2024 University question paper under the subject Operation Research. This is the second part of our video series based on solving October 2024 question paper. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS M6 student. Okay, so in this video, we are going to solve from the question where we had stopped last time around. Okay, so let us see which are the questions which were pending and how to solve them in the most simplest manner. Okay, now in this particular video, we are going to solve question number 3. Now, under question number 3 also, we had 3A, B or C and D. So, among these two, whichever was the simplest topic, okay, that question will be solving first in this particular video, and thereafter later on, okay, we will solve the other question also. So, now in this particular video, we're going to solve question number 3A and 3B. Okay, those were the best options available in that particular question paper where you could have solved the problem sum in the quickest manner and in the most simplest to without making any errors. So in this particular video, we're going to solve question number 3A and 3B together. 15 marks it was. Okay, to option to that, you had question number 3C and 3D, which were technically a little lengthier sum as compared to 3A and 3B. So in this video, we're going to first solve question number 3A and 3B. So I'm reading the first question, question number 3A. From the following project of Sham Limited, they are giving you various activities and durations. Construct a network diagram, find the critical part and the project completion time. And second, tabulate, calculate earliest start, finish time, latest start and finish time. Okay, those are two things that they have asked us to find. So chalo, let us start first. While in order to solve such kind of sum, we need to first create the network diagram. Okay, now they're giving you in the question activity A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I are there, and then they're giving you the nodes 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4. So we'll start off with that itself. So now since they are asking us to find early start time, and also we'll make a bigger one, okay, with the slack values. Okay, so activity A is made up of node 1 and 2, B is 1 and 3, and C is 1 and 4. So we'll have 1 and 2, 1 and 3, and 1 and 4. So that's A, B and C. Okay, now from 2 we have D, that is coming out as 2 and 5, 3 and 6, 4 and 7, and then 5, 6 and 7, they all meet at 8. Okay, so they are going to taper. So now from 2 we have 5, from 3 we have 6, and from 4 we have 7. Now 5, 6 and 7, they all taper down to become 8. So that is, they're coming down, and they're coming down, they all are going to become 8. Okay, now 2 and 5 is D, 3 and 6 is E, F, G, H and I. Now along with the duration time, we'll note down the duration. So A ka duration is 3, B it is 4, C is 6, D is 5, E is 6, F is 5, G is 4, H is 7 and I is 4. Okay, so our network diagram is ready. Okay, the slack value we'll fill it later on. So after making the network diagram, we need to find, so we constructed a network. Now they're asking us to find the critical path. Okay, so first we'll note down various paths which are available. So paths where first we have A, D, G, which is 3 plus 5 plus 4. So 3 plus 5, 8, 8 and 4, 12. Okay, and they are all in days, so this is 12 days. Next is B, E and H, which is 4, 6 and 7, that is 17 days. And last one is C, F and I, that is 6 plus 5 plus 4, which is 15 days. Okay, so from all the various part, we need to note down the critical part. So I'll write here the critical path is the highest value, which is 17, so which is B E H, which is made up of 1, 3, 6 and 8, the path, and the value is, basically 17 days. Okay, so that's a critical part, which was 17 days. Okay, and they're asking us to project completion time. Therefore the project completion time equals 17 days. Okay, now after that's the first question. Second, they're asking you to calculate all the stuff. So I'll write a activity. We have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I. Okay, activities are there. Then we need to note down the time, the duration, 3, 4, 6, 5, 6, 5, 4, 7, 4. Okay, after that we need to find the early start time, early finish time, which is early start time plus time. Then we have latest finish time and latest start time, which is latest finish time minus time. Okay, now in order to get all these values, first we need to complete the slack table. Okay, so always remember, we have to start with 1, make that 0. I'll put a value as 0. Now go side, when you're going from left to right, you need to keep adding those values. So 0 plus 3 is 3, 3 plus 5 is 8. Now 8 to 4, now whenever it's going to converge towards the right side, the higher value will come here. So we'll wait now because it's going to converge by 3. Next, 0 and 4 is 4, 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 7, but I'll have to wait because it's merging. Again, 0 plus 6 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. Now check, 8 plus 4, 12, 10 plus 7, 17, 11 plus 4, 15. So the highest value is 17, we'll take that as 17. Same value comes on the right side also. Now we are going backward. In order to fill backward, you have to minus. So 17 minus 4, okay, on the calci, 17 minus 4 is 13, 13 minus 5 is 8. Now 8, now again it's converging, so the moment it's converged from right to left, we have to take the lowest value, so we'll have to wait here. 17 minus 7 is 10, 10 minus 6 is 4, and 4 minus 4 is 0, so we'll wait there because it's getting converged. 17 minus 4 is 13, 13 minus 5 is 8. Okay, now converge. So 8 minus 3, 4 minus 4 and 8 minus 6. The lowest will give you 4 minus 4, which is 0. So chalo, we have got all those values which we were required to solve this entire problem values. So chalo, now first we start with EST. Now how to find the value of EST? Early start time is nothing but, we'll take the value of node. Okay, I'll note down the node value 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 2 and 5, 3, 6, 4, 7, 5 goes to 8, 6 goes to 8 and 7 goes to 8. Okay. Now early start time for node activity A, 1 and 2, early part will be the first node ka first part. Okay, so A ka first node ka first part is 0. For B, you need to go the left to the left. Okay, so left side ka left value is 0. 1 and 4, so 1 and 4 ka left side ka left is 0. 2 and 5, now this is 2, 5. 2 and 5 ka take the start, 2 ka start, which is 3. 3 and 6, 3 and 6 ka start is 3, ka value is 4. 4 and 7 ka start is 6. 5 and 8, 5 and 8 ka start is 5, 5 ka first value is 8. 6 and 8 ka first value 10, and 7 8 ka first value is 11. Find the LFT first. LFT is right ka right. Okay, so the second value ka the last part. So 1 and 2 ka last is 8, 1 and 3 ka last is 4, 1 and 4 ka last is 8, 2 and 5 ka last is 13, 3 and 6 ka last is 10, 4 7 ka last is 13, 5 8 का last is 17, 6 8 17, 7 8 17. So once you get that, now we just have to do the basic addition and subtraction. So LFT is EST plus time. So that will become 0 plus, so EST plus 0 plus 3, which is 3, 0 plus 4, 4, 0 plus 6, 6, 3 plus 5, 8, 4 plus 6, 10, 6 plus 5, 11, 8 plus 4 is 12, 10 plus 7 is 17, and last 11 plus 4, 15. LFT is LST is LFT minus time. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Next 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 6, 2. 13 minus 5 is 8. Okay, 10 minus 6 is 4. 13 minus 5 is 8. 17 minus 4 is 13. Okay, 17 minus 7 is 10, and last 17 minus 4, which is equal to 30. Okay, so this is how you all had to solve the sum, which was based on finding the network diagram and then finding all the other values, the tabular values. Okay, chalo, you all can go through it once. Okay, now along with this was question 3a. So along with this, the next question which was there to form a 15 mark one was based on transportation. So let us see how to solve that one. This is 3a. Now we're going to start with 3b. Okay, now in the question they are giving you, a company is transporting its units from three factories F1, F2 and F3 with a production capacity of 11, 13 and 19. It has 4 warehouses W1, W2, W3, W4 with demand of 6, 10, 12 and 14. Okay, they're giving you the entire table and they're asking you to find construct a transportation table and find the initial feasible solution by WAM method. Okay, now let us see. So I have made a table now. The table has been visible. So first we'll note down the heading, so then you'll come to get an idea about how to go about with this sum. Okay. Okay, so chalo, let us start with the plotting the values of the headings. So I'll divide this part in two. So here we have warehouse, we have factory. Okay, we have W1, W2, warehouse 2, warehouse 3, warehouse 4. Now that is given already in the question. Okay, it's given in the question. So we are just plotting it in the proper order. We have supply. Okay, we have F1, F2, F3. We have demand. Okay, now whatever cost they have provided us, we'll put them in box. So we have 42. So first I'll just make all the boxes and then we will plot those values in it. Okay, so 42, 32, 50, 26. 34, 36, 28, 46, 64, 54, 36, 82. Okay, now in the question they're giving you the supplier are going to be 11, 13 and 19, and demand is going to be as 6, 10, 12 and 15. The total comes to 50-50. Sorry, 11, plus 13 plus 19, 43, sorry, my bad. This is 43 and 43. Okay. So now let us see how, so this is just a question which we have made up. Now let us see what are the other columns that are going to require. So we need, in order to solve through VAM, we need your row penalty, and we will require column penalty. Okay, now look at this carefully. We start with the row side. Now the rule is from the row, from each row, take the two lowest cost and get the difference of this. So in this difference, 32 and 26 are the two lowest value. Difference 32 minus 26 comes to 6. So we note down here penalty 1, penalty 2, penalty 3, penalty 4. Okay, I'll write here. And here also you have column penalty 1, penalty 2, penalty 3 and penalty 4. Okay, so this is difference 6. Now from here the two lowest value 28 and 34, the difference is 6. Lowest value 36 and 54, difference is 18. Next, now go column wise, same thing. 32 and 42 and 34 are the lowest value, difference is 8. 32 36, difference is 4. 28 36, difference is 8. 26 46, difference is 20. Now from all the penalties, row or column, check whichever is the highest value. So the highest is 20. I'm marking this way. So we have to go, upward direction in the column wise. Now from column I check the lowest value. The lowest value is 26. So that cell will get allocated now. Now what will be the allocated value? Okay, let us see the allocated value. Now supply is 11, demand is 15. How much can I supply? We can only supply 11, so we can't fulfill the entire demand. So I can give entire 11. I'm writing here 11. So from 15, 11 has been fulfilled, 4 is still pending. Okay, 4 is still pending. 0, the moment supply is 0, so this entire row becomes 0. All other cells are crossed out. You cannot use it. No more penalty in the first column, first row. Chalo. So this is occupied completely over. Chalo. Now we have to follow the same steps again. Again we start with the row penalty from the row side. The two smallest value 28 and 34, difference is 6. Again two lowest 36 54, the difference is 18. Same way column wise. Now the first is already gone, so I cannot use that. So I'll have to take 64 minus 34 is 30. Okay. Next 54 and 36, 18. 28 36, 8. 46 and 82, so 82 minus 46, we have 36. Okay, again from this entire row and column penalty, with the highest value is 36, so we'll again have to go in this order. Again, which is the lowest value? 46 is the lowest, so this particular cell gets allocated. Okay, demand is 4, supply is 13. I can complete 4 ka demand. This becomes 0. From 13, 4 is gone, 9 is still pending. This is 0, so this entire thing goes off, so this column is over. Okay, chalo. So same way now we follow the third step. Okay, the same way. So each allocation will go with one penalty. Now again, from here the two lowest value, 28 and 34, again 6. Lowest value 54 36, which is 18. Column wise, again we have 30. From here we have 18 and 8. Now what is the highest value? 30 is the highest, so we'll go here now in this column. The lowest is 34, we will allocate. Supply is 9, demand is 6. I can complete the entire demand. 3 will be still pending. This is 0, this goes off. Okay, last again we'll go in the same way, 36 28. So 28 minus 36 is basically 8. 54 36 is 18. This is 18 and this is 8. Okay, now look at this very carefully. Same number, highest 18 is there, but 18 is there in both. So check now, if I go row wise, 36 was the lowest. How much can be allocated here? I could have given 12. Okay, and if I go here, if I go through this particular model, okay, the lowest was 36. I could have only given 3. So I'll go sideways. If I go sideways, the lowest is 36. Okay, 12 and 19, I can fulfill the entire 12. So from 19, if 12 goes away, we still have 7 pending. Since this is 0, this get crossed out. So now there are only 2 cells pending. Okay, we only have last 2 cells pending. We need 10 and we have 7 and 3 available as supply. So I can fulfill this whole thing. 3, 7, 0, all this becomes 0. This is it. All the values has been completely occupied. So these are our basic cells. Okay, now after doing this, we need to check the rim condition. Okay, rim condition is number of cell occupied should be equal to m plus n minus 1. So the number of cells occupied 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now rows and column. So 3 plus 4 minus 1. So 6 is equal to 6. Therefore there is no degeneracy. Okay, so if no degeneracy, we can find the total cost. So I'll write here total cost as per, this is the initial feasible solution as per VAM method. So the total cost is equal to 6 into 34 plus 3 into 36 plus 7 into 54 plus 12 into 36 plus 11 into 26 plus 4 into 46, which is equal to, on the calci, 6 into 34, 204 plus 3 into 36, 108 plus 7 into 54, 378 plus 12 into 36, 432 plus 11 into 26, 286 plus 4 into 46, 184. Chalo, let us add up all the values. 184 plus 286 plus 432 plus 378 plus 108 plus 204. The total comes to 1592. So I'm writing it here itself. So the total comes to 1592. So the initial feasible solution, okay, the initial basic feasible solution as per VAM method under this particular transportation sum is the total cost equal to rupees 1592. Okay, so this is how you all had to solve question number 3B, which was based on transportation sum under the method VAM. Okay, so you all can go through it once. Okay, chalo. So in this we were able to solve question number 3, okay, the 15 marker. Okay, so in the entire question number 3 with the OR, okay, the question number 3A and 3B were the most simplest sum which you could have solved. Okay, chalo. I hope everyone have understood both these problem sums. Chalo, with that we will be ending this video here. Thank you.